In today's session, we're going to continue on the series on organizational opportunities, stories and lessons learned from the front lines. Today's story is about improving productivity of the workforce. The company was a manufacturing company, was looking to improve their on-time delivery, shorten their lead time, reduce the cash conversion cycle, and they had set up departmental productivity goals with the intent of making sure that all employees are productive. However, they had a lot of employees, what I call, were busy, but not really productive. So how do we go about improving the performance in this situation? And the performance improvements we're looking for is reduced lead time, better on-time delivery. And if we do those things, then our cash conversion cycle automatically improves as a result of doing those activities. So let's first talk about productivity. So what is productivity? Productivity is a measure of effectiveness of a resource of converting its inputs into useful outputs. So useful outputs means the downstream process can actually use that to do their work. And when we look at it, it's determined by the necessary and sufficient inputs defined by the next step in the process. So we start with the customer. If we look at this situation here, supplier, input, process, output, customer, that's our SIPOC diagram. So SIPOC stands for supplier, input, process, output, customer. And we start with the customer, which might be the next step in the process. So no matter where you are in the organization, you have a customer. That's the person that you hand your work off to. So we start with them and say, okay, what do you need? What are the necessary and sufficient things that you need to do your work? So that defines the output of the preceding process. So when we look at it, we work backwards from the customer, defining the necessary and sufficient inputs to achieve what that process needs. Necessary are the things that are required to achieve an objective. Sufficient means that they need to be correct. So we need both conditions. When we look at busy work, so busy work is activity that's undertaken to pass time and to stay busy, but in and of itself actually adds no value for the customer or the next step in the process. If we look at non-value added, what is that? So it's activities that doesn't convert the product or service one step closer to what the customer is demanding, does not add to the market form or function, is not necessary. It's activities that the external customer is not willing to pay for. It's activities that create waste in the organization, and these are the activities that should be eliminated, simplified, reduced, or integrated. So if we look at the impact of a resource standing idle, most companies view that as a major waste. So what happens is we want to make sure that all resources are busy. So in this case, they put productivity measures for each department and each operation to make sure that they were producing parts. Now, that creates misalignment because I'm going to work on stuff that's easiest for me to work on, or I can be super efficient. It might not necessarily be what the next step needs. So we started to get these misalignments between operations. So when we do that, we start to see WIP build up, we start to see quality issues increase, we start to see lead times extend, we start to see on-time delivery reduced, and then, of course, extending the lead time results in a longer cash conversion cycle. So we need to change this mindset that a resource standing idle is a major waste. So what we want to do is we want to look at how much work in process is needed to maintain proper flow. And again, flow is our main objective. And depending on how much variation we have in the system or in the processes, we put inventory in to act as a shock absorber. So inventory is used as a shock absorber to maintain flow. So in this case, we want to understand what is that inventory profile to maintain high effectiveness of the system and to make sure that we can meet our customer demand rates. So when we do that, that means that because we have unbalanced capacity, that we have different capacity in each step of the process, that some people will be idle from time to time. Now, my general rule of thumb is, depending on where the capacity constraint is, or the pace setter operation, or the tax setter operation, whatever you want to call it, we want 20% extra capacity in all other resources. So by design, what does that mean? On a 5-day work week, resources are only planned to work 4 out of those 5 days. That extra day is to overcome all the issues that are going to happen throughout the week. So machines break down, suppliers don't deliver, people don't show up for work, we have quality issues, all those issues that prevent us from achieving the goal. we use that protective capacity to overcome those issues. What we see sometimes a resource not standing idle is a major waste, because what happens is in an unbalanced system, overutilization of those resources, protective capacity, creates excessive work in process, extends the lead time, ties up cash, increases the risk of quality problems, increased costs in terms of overtime, defects, and expediting. So what we want to do, so in this case, we eliminated the departmental goals and we went to a shipping goal. So the productivity incentive wasn't departmentalized, it was for shipments. And so people got paid based on what shipped, not what they produced, because we had a misalignment between what was being produced and what was being shipped. And of course, we had all this excess inventory in the system. So as soon as we changed that goal, people started working on stuff that was needed for shipping and for customer orders, not working on stuff that isn't needed in the short term, right? So that's where we get the excess inventory and the misalignments. So most people believe to make the organization more effective, we need to focus on making every process efficient. That's an incorrect assumption. So in reality, attempting to make all the processes efficient is what's hurting organizational performance. And that's what people don't understand. So our goal is to create flow, not to keep everyone productive and efficient. So in most cases, to make the system efficient, most processes need to be less efficient. That's a huge paradigm shift for companies. So what happens in this case, we significantly reduce lead time from like 13 weeks to less than 10 days. We reduce the work in process by 2/3. We improve the cash conversion cycle, quality issues reduced, on-time delivery performance up. Okay, so that's our session for today. Thanks for joining. Again, connect with me on LinkedIn, visit our website, and visit our YouTube channel where we have tons of videos about creating breakthrough performance improvement for companies.